Hey everybody, welcome to the GOTO team sprint demo. Let me show you what we're going to be doing today. We're going to take the family protection order and show you how we're going to set up a secure environment for them to run their project in. The family protection order have a number of pods running in their environment. They have a web, an API, a tool called Schema Spy, a PostgreSQL database, and a PDF generation tool. We want to set up networking policies that only certain things can talk to other things. The Internet and Gov network can talk to the web and Schema Spy. Schema Spy can talk to the database as well as the API. The API can also talk to the PDF generator. And the web server can only talk to the API. You ready for a demo? The first thing I'm going to do is check to make sure we don't have any network security policy. We don't. Great. The next thing I'm going to do is grab a pod. This one's Django. It's our API server. And I'm going to go to it. And I'm going to try to make a connection from it to every other pod. As you can see by these 124s, they're all failing. I can't connect to any other pod. Next, I go to one of our Angular pods. That's the web server. And again, I try to make connections to every other pod. As you can see, they're all failing again. Now, I'm going to apply network security policy. This is going to let certain pods talk to other specific pods. Great, that seemed to work. Now let's check to make sure we've got our security policy in place. Looks good, all our rules are there. Let's take a look in the Aporeto web console and make sure our policy is there. Looks good, our custom policies are there. We can click to expand to have a better look. Here's what that same policy looks like in YAML format. The source has one tag, role equals API, to identify the backend Django pod. The destination has two tags, role equals DB and role equals PDF, allowing it to talk to both the database and the PDF generator. Let's repeat our tests. Get a look at the pods we've got. We're going to pick two. First, we're going to go to the Django pod, and we'll rerun our tests. Now back to a front-end Angular pod to rerun the same tests. Great, they're all done. What's important to note this time are the 0 return codes. They indicate that we were able to establish a connection. As expected, the web can talk to the internet and to the API, and the API can talk to the database and the PDF generator.